Yeah, it's your boy, Line of All Trades, back with another video and another edition of Sexy Stock Talks. I'm just playing. Listen, I got comments the other time I made the video, and it was good and bad because I was getting comments like, "Oh man, Lion, so sensual," and another one asked me like, "What is this ASMR?" I was rolling, I was dying, and I'm like, "Jeez." Listen, first off, it's the way I talk. I'm very chill, mellow, laid back, and I'm just here like trying to make content and trying to give you guys like what I see and my observations, because this is pretty much, for entertainment purposes and speculation, and not a financial advisor, obviously. And everything that I say in this video is not financial advice, so please take it with a grain of salt. Just my opinion, as long as it's legal. I always give it to you, and I give it to you real good and straight up. But anyway, the talk of the town, the stock that everybody is like going crazy about is Cosm. It feels weird saying it like that. So ticker symbol COSM, Cosmos. And this baby has been going on a rampage since the 8th of November, when this stock was just 8 cents. And all I can say is that anybody who got into that price up to the peak of what traded this morning, which I thought would break the resistance of 68 cents past 70 cents, but actually got chopped down from there because these indicators were saying that 9MA, I'm currently down. Oh shoot, so we're depth crossing. This is the 5-minute chart, by the way, so as this one crosses, then the 20 decides to want to curl back down to as well. And it's just a pattern, alright? So 9 curls down. That's like, okay, so I'm gonna go down 2 with it. The 20 does the same thing, and then you see the trend. It's going down with it. Then the 50. Soon when it gets to this point, it's just a bearish trend. And when you zoom out, from what I can see, I see like some sort of type of a head and shoulders formation here. So it played out in a way, and it kind of looks like still trying to hold up. And all we want to see is pretty much this being the bottom. And every indicator here, every moving average that I have set up here to start curling back up again in an orderly fashion, just like how you see it. If I can go back and okay, this is why I don't use Webull. So much scrolling and stuff, right? But there was a point where we were trading below the 200 MA, and it was right here at this point around November 18th. Okay. And you see how right here, for example, once you see that a sell-off is about to happen, the 9 MA starts to curl down. And then afterwards, it's the 20, and so forth. And eventually, it held until it decided to merge all together and start its process again of all curling up and going back on the uptrend. Obviously, this is what you want to see. a golden cross between the 50 and the 200, the yellow and the red. Boom. So that's what, we eventually saw here, going all the way up to where we ended up, and then hitting the peak, and then everything starting to, curl back down. It's easy to learn about these moving averages and just studying TA like that in general. I mean, I'm still learning little by little, and it's going great so far. I was able to predict certain movements, and I was like, you know what? Yeah, it's about that time, because eventually it got to the point where in a lot of time frames this thing was overbought, so we needed to come back down eventually and pull back and fizzle out, so but eventually we will have to start curling back up and going back up in the RSI. It's 48. So we could reject, this is the 1 hour, we could possibly reject the 9, and if it falls below the 50, then we would try to retest the support of 20 cents. Of course, people don't want to hear the bearish side of things, but it is what it is, and this is just all speculation, like I said, so take it with a grain of salt. What we want to see is a continuation to the upside, breaking past the 9 and the 20 MA, and it's a retest back to where we were before this morning at 66 cents. Once that happens, baby, easy, listen. It's gonna be a bumpy ride, so fasten your seatbelts. From all the information that's out there, we can just shoot up like crazy and head to the cosmos and look at the stars, because we're going straight to the moon, baby. I had to do it on purpose. I'm sorry. But anyway, that's what I see. If I go to my trading view chart here, you can see I had these levels before a couple of weeks ago, and you can see the previous resistance here at 68 cents. So not quite done yet, because we still have a lot of gaps to fill. So I'm really hopeful. I really believe in the theory of this short squeeze happening. In order for the stock to even still be listed on the Nasdaq, it has to go above $1. So more than likely, shit, it might as well happen tomorrow. But if not, who knows, maybe Monday. Again, not financial advice. But definitely a good time to do what you gotta do. Play that bottom out. Gonna take the dip and eat the dip, and ride it back. And that's it. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? 75 cents. Definitely looks likely. Sorry about the background noise. Just people don't know how to cover their mouths. And and that is my TA to y'all. I'm pretty sure there's other channels there that probably have the same thing going on with TA and setups and levels. I just have my own point of view of what I'm seeing, And darn it, that shit looks good. That shit looks really good. It's like, just, be mindful of what you're doing. If you're in it for the swings, do it for the swings. If not, hold in and get that money rolling. Anyway, that's the video. And if you like this content, feel free to like this, share, subscribe, and follow my Twitter. Share anything you want on my Twitter, a meme, any information that you have, anything that's going on with the market. So yeah, I'm there to watch everything. Thank you all. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. That's tomorrow. Market is closed, so you got a time to recoup, mentally sharpen, and get ready for Friday. But yeah, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Take that nice shot of coquito and whatever you're gonna drink, and we'll see you in the next line of all trades. Peace out.